Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then a big hi to you. Today we are going to perform 10 minutes standing abs workout. With this workout, you will engage more muscles at once and improve your postural support and burn more calories so that we can lose our belly fat quick. This method is an effective way to improve our strength and mobility to do our daily activities. So, friends, we can do these workouts easily at home. It is also recommended to do these exercises alternate days as your ab muscles need to rest up so that the muscles can recover and get stronger. Okay, friends, let's get started. So guys, today's workout we will be doing 8 exercises and just one set. And I have used 2 kg dumbbell each. And here we are doing each exercise for 40 seconds and taking 10 seconds break in between. This workout also includes 2 minutes of warm up and 2 minutes of cool down. I've also shown alternative version for beginners which is of low impact. So guys, are you ready for it? Let's enjoy together. We'll start with warm up. You can jog on spot. I've shown an alternative version. You can march on spot. Next we will be doing jumping jacks. An alternative will be without jumps. Next will be high knee. Again, in alternative version, you need not jump. Just lift your leg up, knee high. Next will be jump twist. An alternative will be twist without jumps. So keep going guys so that we increase our body temperature as well as muscle temperature so that we avoid any injuries and we are all getting set for our workout. So with this we are done with our warm up. We will start off with knee cross crunch. And if you're beginners, you can do without weights. We'll be doing this for 40 seconds guys. Come on, we can do it. Lift your knee high. Now we will take 10 seconds break. Now side crunch. You can always do without weights if you find it tough. Lift your knee high. Good going, guys. Now we'll take a break. Now we will be doing front punch. Just slightly bend your knees and punch front. See to that your shoulders are straight when you're punching. And land on your toes when you're punching. Superb, guys. Now we'll take a break. Now just take one dumbbell and we'll be doing side to side chops. And try to be on your toes when you're turning to side. It's always okay if you're getting tired, you can take rest and do it. And you can reduce the weight too. That's superb, guys. We are halfway done. Now you can take a break. Now we will be doing front kick toe touch. An alternative version you can do without weights and touch your toes. Superb. Now you can take a break. Next we'll be doing side kick with toe reach. Awesome, guys. We have just 2 more to go. You can take a break now. Now we just need one dumbbell. We'll be doing cross chop. Try to be on your toes when you twist. We'll be doing this for 20 seconds and changing the other side. Now you can change to the other side. And twisting just to be on your toes. Superb, guys. We're almost there. Now you can take a break. So last one to go. Here we'll be using both the dumbbells and we'll be punching sideways. When you're punching side, just be on your toes. So with this, we are done with our workout. After this, you can take a break. You can keep the dumbbells down. And we'll start our cool down now. So we'll start with a backward bend. And for beginners, I've shown a backward bend where you can keep your hands lower. Next, we'll do side bend on your right. For alternate version, I've done it with single hand and feel the stretch on your sides, side ab. Now change the other side. Now we will be doing single leg forward reach. Be on your left leg. And for alternate version, you can keep your hands down. Now you can do for the other leg. Now we will be doing standing cat camel stretch. Bend forward, breathe in, breathe out, stretch up, look up at the ceiling. Feel the nice stretch on your back and on your core. With this, we are completely done with our workout for today. Superb, guys! So friends, I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you loved it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any clarifications or any questions, please post it in the comment section and I will respond to you. And if you have any feedback also, you're most welcome. So friends, I will meet you in the next video with more exercises and an interesting topic. Till then, stay healthy, be healthy, eat healthy and spread the healthiness. Bye.